Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial series on Salesforce Social Studio presented by the Adam Brown Social Media Command Center at the University of Tennessee Knoxville's College of Communication and Information. In this tutorial series, what we'll do is give a brief overview of Social Studio, what it is, what it does, how it can be used in an academic environment, and how it can be used in the industry as well. We hope that by the end of this series, you will have a firm grasp on what Social Studio does, and that you will be able to use it for your own purposes as well. So to begin, we'll give you a brief overview of what Social Studio is. Social Studio is a platform developed by Salesforce that allows you to listen, measure, and engage in social media conversations from more than 1 billion different sources of information across the internet. Now, the ability to do that requires a certain level of being able to sift through information that is pertinent to your searches. And it all begins here at this workspace. So we'll give you a brief kind of overview, lay of the land here before talking about building topic profiles and running your searches and those types of things. The first thing that you'll want to notice is that when you log in, the first thing you'll see is these workspace pages. Oftentimes, you'll only be assigned to one workspace. So for instance, you'll only see one little card here. If at other points you might have other classes or you might be working on different projects where there are multiple cards, ultimately what these do are basically ways of grouping users together in Social Studio for collaboration or dividing up different projects. But the first thing you'll see is whatever workspace you're assigned to when you log in. Now, I've got a Social Studio demo workspace here that I want to click on. And when I click on the workspace, by default, Social Studio takes me to its Engage console. Now, the Publish and Engage features of Social Studio are pretty useful in their own right. The Publish feature allows you to schedule content to be posted across multiple media channels, and the Engage console allows you to, again, kind of engage with audiences that you're trying to reach across your different social platforms. So you'll notice here, the demo that they have is that there's 3 separate columns where you're able to monitor 3 conversations at any given time and engage with the users there. Now, in terms of how we use Social Studio here at the University of Tennessee Knoxville, we primarily don't use these publish and engage features. We primarily use the analyze function. And we encourage you to really think about using this primarily in your own Social Studio searches as well. So if you click on this Analyze tab, this is where you're going to go after you log in and after you click on your workspace. The Analyze tab shows you 3 things over here on the left-hand side that you should be aware of. The first are dashboards, which provide you kind of a bird's eye view of what the conversation that you're searching for looks like. Workbenches, which allow you to drill down into deeper aspects of those conversations. And reports. We'll talk about each of these in individual videos later on. But for the time being, what you'll need to know about this is that this is kind of where you're able to run some of the data around your searches. We'll pause here to create a separate video about creating topic profiles from this dashboard.